Whoa. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to float back down again to come and see my water signs. The ones I miss them all the time. 'Cause I always have to float down to the bottom of the cement pond to visit them. Ooh, it's nice and clear down here. Now that I changed that filter from the last time there. Oh, there you guys are. Okay, good. Right on. How's everybody doing today? I see it's a lot clearer down here. I changed that filter. There's no more shit in there. No shit. Good to see that shit is clearing up down here. Very good. Somebody's business stagnant. Business woes. He's still diligent tonight. Oh. Don't let the bed midgets bite. What do we got here? For our Pisces. Last judgment. Ooh, divine judgment. Somebody's extremely guarded. Ooh, and I don't think it's you. It says up to 29. Somebody could be 29. They could be 92. They could be born in 92. They could have a 92 Ford Festiva. And cram 4 hookers in there. And the Ford Festiva money is spent. And there's a whole lot of bitches jumping ship. And sometimes you gotta go behind the Ford Festiva and whoop that trick. I'm just kidding, you should never do that. That's horrible. Whoop that trick. What do we got in? What do we got? What are we dealing with here down here, Pisces? Ooh, stagnancy. But I cleaned the filter. It's a lot better now. Oh, this is judgment stagnancy. Okay. Ooh, goodness. Pisces. What do we got in the heart of the situations? Ooh, celebrations. Ooh, situations. Celebrations in the situations. Ooh, what do we got in the challenge is somebody spying and they're win at all costs. Ooh, younger air sign. What do you got in the subatomic consciousness? Whoa, that did a flippy whirly bird woolly woo. Subconsciously. Woo! The sneezes of Jesus are upon you. Achoo! Achoo! The sneezes of Jesus are upon you. Achoo! That's right. That should scare away all the evildoers that have been watching my program lately. Enough of your shit. This is coming out of insanity. Pisces. Maybe you've been in insanity for a long time. Maybe 2 years or so. Maybe you've been just batshit motherfucking crazy. Stupid, what some would say. But I didn't say that. I'm just saying some would. 9 of Pentacles is luxurious living in the past. Ooh, you're coming out of insanity. That's a good thing. What do we got in the present moment? Oh my goodness. The truth. The truth is in the present moment. Oh my God, Pisces. This is big. This is good for you. This is really good for you. It may sting a little, but it's good for you. Let's see. What's this in the future? Be dealing with a King of Pentacles that wants to smash the pussy. Ooh. Driving up in this nice bull-pulled wagon with a fabulous mustache. With so many, I don't know, is that a Dorito a full Dorito stuck in his mustache? Ooh, maybe you should just go over there and nibble it out. What do we got here that's in the future? Oh my goodness. Could be dealing with Leo as well. Bottom of the deck, stagnancy. What do we got in the way you be influencing things? there, Pisces. The way you be influencing things is, oh, you've got love, you've got happiness and joy. Happiness and joy. Oh, come, all the grapefruits from the superstore. Oh, come, all you grapefruits, and experience the joy. That's not a Christmas song. I changed the lyrics, so technically I'm not utterly insane in singing Christmas songs in March, okay? What do we got in hopes and fears? Hopes and fears. Quick coming in messages. Ooh la la. What do we got in the lens you be looking through? Let's get out of thesis mode and into we seen that. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Cheating, lying, and stealing. You're looking to do some cheating, lying, and stealing, aren't you? Wow. Well, I won't tell anybody if you don't. What do we got in the environment? Oh, a reversed lovers. A really bad lovers contract on breakup of a marriage. Ooh, the breakup of a marriage, Pisces. This isn't good. Well, I don't know. Maybe you're not responsible this time. I don't know. Maybe you're not. For some miracle, you're not responsible for this breakup of marriage. But something is hidden about it, which tells me it is, because that's your energy there, Pisces. Just saying. I'm not going to snitch you out. There's a Queen of Wands and a Queen of Pentacles in your environment, in the outcome. Holy Spirit, what would you like to tell our dear Pisces here at the bottom of this cement pond? What should they be doing? What should they be dealing with? What should they know? Okay, be highly intuitive at this time, Pisces. You're coming out of insanity, so that's a plus. Maybe you haven't been intuitive lately, but when you come out of insanity, you can. Don't fuck it up, okay?